can't send a little thing that I'm gonna give my son to go to school. That don't know, man. Don't allow me, brother. You can't support me, bro. At least me not thief, me not rob dog, and me not go put my body over counter for make it, bro. You see me answer, my friend? Body not go over counter, dog. And now, yes, I'm head a push up on another girl, bro. And I just meds now, man. You see it? They also try to hold it, my friend, and I go and do it. We have a platform with knowings, dog. We're famous like the rest of TikTok of them too, dog. People just not like we, bro. You see me I say, my friend? Because a certain situation back then, bro. You see me? But if you don't get to know we, bro, and what we want to do in a life, dog, and give it a little power and little strength to go feet, dog, and we see. But I don't do that, bro. I rather come and I come bring me down, dog. Every day I come and I talk about my picnic. So you have a little dark complexion, and if you know me chooks in person, that thing different. But I love people if you talk, my friend. You get me I say? And I stand same way and there, so it might be a mother even in the world or ridicule her, bro. I don't even look on anything there and say, oh, that youth are strong and fuck, you know. And that youth are dead if you human in a real life, you know. And when the world I say fuck, you know, bro. I don't know make anything there, bro. You get me? Know what I mean? Yeah, even if people not like me, Stacks, and like Aaliyah, I am on my platform now. So you don't have to tell me that. Go tell Aaliyah that, girl. Because only thing I do is have to chat negative. You get me I say? And if people they like Aaliyah, when she posts her video, them they would over there disrespect her. You get me I say? They would over there talk negative on her. If everybody they just love Aaliyah, when she turn on her life, she'd have top 20 every week. Her life would have different. You see me? What the fuck can I say? What you say now? Everybody love Aaliyah. What you talk about? No, I mean, I misunderstand you. You say people don't like me, they like Aaliyah. How they like Aaliyah? And I'm nothing but disrespect she get on here. What you mean by that? I want a few people support Aaliyah. When I come out with DM1 them, you know. What you saying? When me they run on the page, I remember say we have supporters, you know. You understand me I say? We have supporters, you know, bro. When me locked in on that, you know, bro, we locked in for real, you know. But me come off our page, because I chat off on the mouth and elaborate on the mouth. I don't remember good, say me are the only person where they on TikTok. Where I date somebody who wanna say famous from a longer time. Where build me wanna say straight. See? You never know me until me there with Aaliyah. Me are the only person. See? Listen to me good enough. We never push 1 year I had now. Me I be there. I go in a 2 year. See? And me never push to build a page. And how long me have page and since recent I wanna see me a stream around here. So. What the fuck can I say? I wanna have everything to say bad about me. Now if you say me abuse Aaliyah, me this, me that. Hello, she come out and say anything, so. I wanna have to say. You get me answer? Me cause people for disrespect her, Ramsey. Go check your facts. Nay, I see my content, my trouble people. I joke, I just make funny videos. You can go watch my content then. Yeah? That me I say. Oh me cause that now. Yeah, that's all they do, but me I ask them how me cause negative towards Aaliyah. All along she wasn't being disrespected, eh? And when me and I just attack, everybody come over my side upon what kind of catty that you pick up, what kind of cross is family that, this and that, and this catty are rare. What the fuck can I talk about? Eh? What you talk about? How the fuck me make people disrespect Aaliyah? How? I'm not stupid. Go research back, man. Please. Please, go research back. Good morning, Mom. Go research back, man. I'm not watch your wrong screen recording them, man. Go back again. Yeah. Me put it a lot of things about her family. Whenever they on the media already. Good morning, No Chill. And good morning, you know, I don't like that page. I name No Chill, though. I don't like it. Come here. I like it. Take out the picture there for your profile. I wish she did. Miss Lexi, I wish I did it. Probably because I used to curse her and let the media see. What do you usually curse everybody and make the media see? It's a family. This him is going to this them, but that's life. Thank you, Taro. So I hope you understand. Hello, Kitty. Shut the fuck up. I believe they work together. Be positive. Screen recording out there with me abuse Aaliyah. Where? Which part? Bombo glad. How many people are getting tour from? Tour your fuck. But believe no man, mama curls, man. Hello, they're arguing to the internet. They're arguing to the internet. Fucking idiot, a long time since them there. About who? What the fuck? Why you say well Annie now? Hey, people are police still. Why you say well Oliver? What happened? What did I talk about my mother-in-law, love? What happened? What did I talk about my mother-in-law? Now, man, I read when they not be disrespectful. No, I'm not follow people, man. They're funny, bro. They're funny as fuck. They're funny. And that's that Quicksilver. So the comment for me, a whole conversation with the people. I soon go on the road, bro. May I listen to them and I correspond positively. Make them pay for comments now, sir. Them people not even pay for send gift for comment, them go pay for comment. No matter they not watch. They not go pay for comment. Me and them are reason, man. Good morning, God bless child, what go on? And I pay for gift them, I pay for comment. Come on, man, come on. Your brain not burning. I know that, man. None of me I tell. Most of them are low life. Oshim Ramsey. What the fuck you talking about? Yeah, I'm not gonna pay attention to you. Of course, I love her. Top tier B, you know, send me gift. Me buy clothes, man. I'm not telling you, I'm not clothes. Yeah, no. That more and go back in and I got chosen. But I not really see nobody request for the cheap as them like one time. Stop sell cigarette now. A year hard, I not sell cigarette. Man. Your opportunity now to show the positive you will be supported. I know, man. I know that. How a Quicksilver say. I focus on all like kids, man. Not just one. You see me? Not just one. All of them. Mama darkness, dark of a place. No, you have to be more respectful. Sash, you have to be more respectful. Well, me not got answer. You have to be more respectful. Rephrase that. Say clean boy. Rephrase that. Me no want you buy me nothing. Sorry. Thanks, but no thanks. Have a good day. That's it.